Yes, sir. We've watched that deer since 7 o'clock, and I'm hoping he's down right there. He bedded here with the doe. He came running by us with the doe. Got like 15 yards, and we just couldn't make it happen. Then he was over there fighting with that little buck. So we first saw that deer, it was about 7 o'clock, wasn't it?
Yeah, at least. Not earlier.
And it's almost 9:30 now.
16, if you want to count these couple. That's a nice deer, no matter how you put it. Phew, he gave us the run around this morning. Let me get out of here so I can start drying my feet off.
For more information about Whackfactor Outdoors, visit our website, www.whackfactoroutdoors.com.